Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering you never age again. No wrinkles, no gray hair, no weak muscles. You stay exactly the same forever. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the shocking truth. Scientists believe that never aging could actually create huge problems for life itself. So, why do humans age? Is aging programmed into our bodies? Or is it simply damage that builds up over time? Today, we're uncovering one of biology's greatest mysteries. Your body isn't just one thing. It's made of around 37 trillion tiny cells. Every second, millions of old cells die. Millions of new cells replace them. Think of your body like a giant city. Cells are the workers. Some repair skin. Some pump blood. Others send messages through your brain. When you're young, these workers are fast and efficient. But they don't stay perfect forever. Every day, your body faces attacks. Sunlight, pollution, stress, viruses, even breathing creates tiny harmful molecules called free radicals. These molecules bump into cells, damaging DNA, proteins, and cell membranes. Fortunately, your body repairs most of this damage, but not all of it. Tiny mistakes slowly pile up, year after year. Eventually, the repairs can't keep up. That's when aging begins to show. Inside every cell is DNA. Think of DNA as your body's instruction manual. Every time a cell divides, the DNA gets copied. But here's the problem. The ends of DNA are protected by tiny caps called telomeres. Imagine the plastic tips on shoelaces. Every time a cell divides, those caps become slightly shorter. Eventually, they're too short. The cell can no longer divide safely. Instead, it retires. Scientists call these retired cells senescent cells, and they build up as we get older. Have you noticed that children heal incredibly fast? A scraped knee may heal in days. Older adults often need weeks. That's because repair systems gradually slow down. Stem cells, the body's repair crew, become less active. Muscles shrink. Bones weaken. Skin loses collagen. Hair loses pigment. The result? Gray hair, wrinkles, and slower recovery. Here's one of biology's biggest surprises. Evolution doesn't really care if you live forever. Its main goal is simple: help organisms survive long enough to reproduce. After reproduction, natural selection becomes much weaker. That means harmful effects appearing late in life aren't strongly removed over generations. Aging may simply be the price of survival. Scientists around the world are trying to slow aging. They're studying stem cells, gene therapy, senescent cells, calorie restriction, special proteins that repair DNA. Some experiments have extended the lives of mice. Others have reversed certain aging signs in laboratory animals. But humans are much more complicated. Right now, no treatment can stop aging completely, but researchers continue making exciting discoveries every year. Although nobody can completely stop aging, you can slow some of its effects. Exercise regularly, sleep enough, eat healthy foods, avoid smoking, protect your skin from excessive sunlight, manage stress. These habits don't make you immortal, but they help your body repair itself better for longer. Aging isn't a mistake. It's the result of billions of tiny changes happening inside us every day. Every wrinkle, every gray hair, every birthday tells the story of a body that has survived another year. Scientists still don't know every answer, but each new discovery brings us closer to understanding one of life's greatest mysteries. So here's a question for you. If science could let humans live for 300 years, would you choose it? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating science stories.